The 1985 Chevrolet Opala Diplomata Coupe stands as a noteworthy example of Brazilian automotive history. The Opala, produced by Chevrolet in Brazil from 1968 to 1992, represents a key chapter in the country's car culture. The Diplomata trim, introduced in 1981, was the luxury variant of the Opala, featuring enhanced features and styling. Design and styling. The 1985 Opala Diplomata Coupe boasts a classic sleek design that reflects the automotive aesthetics of the 1980s. Its coupe body style is characterized by a two-door configuration with a sporty yet elegant appearance. The car's lines are clean and straight, with a prominent grille and rectangular headlights that were typical of the era. The aerodynamic design was ahead of its time, contributing to both its visual appeal and its driving dynamics. Inside, the Diplomata Coupe offers a refined and comfortable experience. The cabin features high-quality materials, including plush upholstery and wood trim, which were considered luxurious for the period. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with analog gauges and controls designed for ease of use. The seating provides ample support and comfort, making long drives more enjoyable. Engine and performance. The 1985 Opala Diplomata Coupe is equipped with a 4.1-liter inline-six engine, which was one of the largest engines available in Brazilian cars at the time. This engine delivers robust performance, offering a balance of power and smoothness. The Diplomata's engine is known for its reliability and durability, making it a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors. The car typically features a 4-speed manual transmission, which provides precise gear changes and an engaging driving experience. The manual gearbox complements the car's performance, allowing drivers to fully exploit the engine's capabilities. Handling. The suspension system of the Opala Diplomata Coupe is designed to provide a comfortable and stable ride. The front suspension is an independent setup, while the rear uses a live axle. This configuration delivers a balanced ride, combining comfort with respectable handling characteristics. The car's steering is responsive, and its braking system provides adequate stopping power for the era. Features and equipment. The Diplomata trim level includes several luxury features that set it apart from the standard Opala models. These features often include air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, and an advanced audio system. The inclusion of these amenities enhances the overall driving experience and reflects the car's premium positioning. In terms of safety, the 1985 Opala Diplomata Coupe is equipped with basic features for its time, such as seat belts and impact-resistant bumpers. However, it lacks many modern safety technologies found in contemporary vehicles. Cultural impact. The Chevrolet Opala Diplomata Coupe holds a special place in Brazilian automotive history. It symbolizes the era of Brazilian car manufacturing, when local production was thriving and automotive design was influenced by both international trends and local preferences. The Opala was a popular choice among Brazilian consumers for its combination of style, performance, and luxury. Collectability and legacy. Today, the 1985 Chevrolet Opala Diplomata Coupe is considered a classic and is sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Its vintage appeal, coupled with its distinctive design and performance characteristics, makes it a prized possession in the classic car community. Restoration projects are common, as enthusiasts work to preserve and maintain the car's originality. Conclusion. The 1985 Chevrolet Opala Diplomata Coupe represents a significant chapter in Brazil's automotive history. With its stylish design, robust performance, and luxurious features, it continues to captivate car enthusiasts and collectors. As a classic vehicle, it embodies the spirit of its era and remains a testament to Chevrolet's influence in the Brazilian automotive market.